Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to type text in different fonts on Discord. Now, to do that, guys, what you want to do is, of course, once you're on Discord, you want to go ahead and go to this website here that I'm having my screen called texttrick.com. And once you're on the website, you can go ahead and just simple click on the Discord text here. And you may receive some pop-ups. Just simply click and close. No, I don't have a text, so I'm going to just copy something right here. So let's take this text right here that is available on the screen, and you want to scroll down and just simple type your text right here. So if I copy this text, this is what I want to type, and here you want to ensure that you're on the fancy font section. So just simple go ahead and scroll down and find the different fonts that are available, and I'm going to use something that looks cool so that you see the big difference. So let's say I wanted to type in this font here, which is the double stroke. I can go ahead and copy that and then go back to this card and simply paste that in. So here you can see I am in the text box of this card. I'm going to click Ctrl V, and here you can see that it's there. Hit enter, guys, and as you can see, what I type within that text font. And that's super cool, right? So you can easily go ahead and find whatever font that you see here that you like that's available, and just simple type that font. Just copy it, paste it, and just simply hit enter, and you can paste that there. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.